Look at this. France is seriously making its next-generation frigate happen. The lead ship, the Amiral Ronarc'h, is ready to go after finishing its initial sea trials. This new Defense and Intervention Frigate, FDI, isn't just a simple replacement for the old, aging Fayette ships. France really wants to stay on top in naval power. And this ship can handle everything from big-time rivals to those annoying little drone or boat swarms. What makes this ship so unique? It's basically a floating supercomputer, a true digital warship. This thing is the first French warship designed to be safe from cyber attacks right out of the box. They've tucked all the brains of the ship into a redundant IT system housed in 2 super secure data centers. This digital backbone means they can easily update the ship's software over time, kind of like updating an app on your phone. That focus on digital safety and flexibility means the FDI can process tons of data and keep working, even when things get electronically messy. Let's talk about the tech packed inside. The FDI's main sensor is the Thales Seafire 500 radar, a cutting-edge piece of kit that sits high up on the mast and gives the crew a continuous 360-degree view of everything around them. For striking power, it's got a 16-cell launcher for Aster 15 and 30 missiles, which means it can offer robust area air defense. And under the water, it's a serious submarine hunter thanks to that formidable Captus 4-towed array sonar. Seriously, this frigate is built to be dominant in the sky, on the surface, and deep below the waves. This frigate isn't just for French missions either. It's got a bigger job, helping with European teamwork and power projection. These 5 new ships will be vital, especially when escorting the massive Charles de Gaulle carrier group. But wait, there's more. The design is so appealing that Greece has already jumped in, ordering 3 ships of their own called the Kimon class. That successful collaboration really shows how good France's naval technology is, and it helps make NATO's southern border much stronger.